Country people, we show a plenty salute Hawe. We don't join we for another wonderful edition for Tori. Sabi say we welcome on a plenty. For waiting me Tori Chiro go look palava moja. Yan palava general no pity woman for inside Southwest. According to ye, other case it go for court, we go look am. We go to go down so we talk Tori where they don't hold some people them for Pamo. Where they say they be work at them, they hold them inside the palava, beating, it be serious for inside. We go talk plenty other Tori them like a papa for Carolis. Where he said, he don't come out, he talk with it happened for inside Boya, which he begin. How old are they pass? We will take some more merengue. We'll come back, we'll check out the in the proper. Country people wanna come good, which we wanna plenty salute. We will start today with Masamucha Moja, where we catch some woman for Boyade, saying a woman for general no pity. Inside the palava, the woman said, according to Tori, if they deal with the belly, they go lock the woman. Lawyer themselves, they be move book, say they go follow the palava. Inside the palava, where they now so, it should say lawyer them. They don't carry the case, they go for court. But what happen? The woman, where they lock him, in no come court. How the palava pass say no come court, now the one that we will not sabi. We say moja be there. Lawyer them don't talk say waiting. Me will go look am. Me lawyer them say when I tell me lawyer, wait happen for that case for court. When I see am.
First of all, I want to congratulate Barrister Edward Nyonga Ewuke for his courage and determination in ensuring that justice is done or in seeking justice for Madame Antoinette. Today was for the hearing of the habeas corpus, and there were 6 lawyers. The 3 of us are present here, led by myself, to argue that the arrest of Madame Antoinette was an illegal act and to order for her immediate release. Today, the matter is still sub judice, so there's a limitation as to what we can say. But today, we, the counsel for the applicant, we insisted that we cannot be hearing a matter when the Madame Antoinette is not produced. We don't understand the reason why it is so difficult for the Madame Antoinette to be produced, because the law is very clear. The law regulating habeas corpus is very clear that for us to proceed with the habeas corpus proceeding, the lady who has allegedly been illegally detained should be produced. We made the application, the court ruled on it, saying that they can proceed only to hear the preliminary objection that was raised. I can talk on that one because it has been decided by the court, so it's not sub judice. But the matter has been adjourned to the 26th, and we hope that the High Court of Fako will do justice to an 8-month-old pregnant lady, and release her from detention or declaring her arrest illegal.
Now lawyer then that's so. When I know here, what a Cameroon in how all man, if he just case, if he catch any man in local, go na not to nothing, we no sabi. Anyway, there, we must fire. Country people will not come good before we must fire. One talk special thank you for Madam Owet. Where is an organization where they look at women them, where it don't give it close to them for where for support we for what way with the work. One talk say power for Isa work for Madam for Owet where they look at power from Gondere them. As we match fire for talk to we will go for Southwest for talk to for inside Pamo another place where they make oya where they get plenty in Bangadem. How Palava the pass for there and they don't send people they don't work again. Say this so because of Anglophone crisis, then they see I'm saying they want money go give for Cameroon government where you need to support them when and pay them. So it be the other day some massa where say be general 10 kobo for inside Boya. Sorry for inside side of Pamo. He said if you go catch some 2 people them when I walk at them for inside the Pamo. Instead for beat them, he say no beat them. For kill them, he say no kill them. For cut their finger them how we used to see them, he say no, you know do that kind of work. Say he general 10 kobo, you don't get new style for cheap people the way. He say you know what I mean they work for inside Pamo. Why no one mean they work for Pamo? We say we not be talk plenty. Me will go down for inside Pamo, inside plantation from Manga, where they don't catch work at them. Now slapping competition. You slap me, I slap you. They say a new style of punish people the way they say they need to follow what way I made it talk. I talk now with when I say on thing. Now slapping competition that. There was one that said the man ready for up. He fat. He get big hand. Now sorry that the man ready for down. Slap him. Slap him. Slap you, slap me. When I hear.
Yes.
No put your hand.
I no go beat me them.
No put your hand.
Any man wey say I walk, pa mo walk. Na so, make man no catch you.
Slap it too.
Any man wey,
Go on. No put your hand. No put your hand. Move your hand.
any man wey say I walk, pa mo walk. Na so me I go do it. Na me fi match 10 kobo. Yes.
Go.
Yes, Mr. General Manager.
We're not tired.
If you fit see am,
Yes.
they way I go hold it and to put it them.
Yes, go.
You go take actual Christmas, wait till I go do them. Yeah.
Go on. I say, where my
Go, go, go. Go. Go, go. Go. Slap.
You can wait. He too.
Yes, slap.
You show that job fine, not the bend.
Slap.
Yes. Yes.
Slap. Yes.
Move. Knock it back. Knock it back. He miss him. Yes.
Slap.
Slap. You see, I say this. Yes.
Slap, slap, slap.
Slap it.
Go.
Anyhow way they feel let on na share for them. Na General Ten Kobo he said he take video. He turn on social media, he enter to for telephone. Anyhow way they why that the problem we can't feel in a window. Whoa. We must fire massa. When I come good, we talk to the for Boya. For small beginning 6 years, Carolise. When they go school, they shoot and kill her. Tori be don't come out, kind Tori come out. But the begin a papa, he don't come out, he talk his own. I say you be the celebrate the begin a month. According to the papa, he say no be ye the papa, he be there on top the driving, and no be ye the woman, he be there on top the driving. Say a different person. Sabi say social media, we don't talk say na the man. So when they say na the woman, for where get that begin. Now the papa say no, a woman not even know for drive. He said he no be there for the palava. Now colleague for a woman, he be the driver begin to go to school. And according to the papa, the motor, if they get all book them, time where they break the motor, but time where they put to or the kutu, he insists, say me na begin and can down me the motor, he say. Me the be the work of food go school. Now but the way the driver out of X, he kick the motor and go, the kutu man, he open fire. At the time of it. Me want to papa for small Carolise we don't die. Me tell you, papa, talk no here.
Right there, they call me an Amber. That's an Amber. They said I was in the car and one was driving. That I've run. Now my wife is transacting guns, giving guns to Amber people. That's a girl who hardly had to fly. That's a very pretty girl, intelligent girl. She's an educated girl. She's not on social media. She doesn't care. I give her a good phone. She doesn't have time. All she cares with her children. That's her children. She doesn't even, the whole money where we live, they know her. She's a pharmacist. She hardly heard the fly. They call her all sorts of names. People don't even know her. On Facebook, insulting her. This is a bad woman, this, that. So, while I'm giving this small clarification, just to say, my wife doesn't drive. She doesn't know how to drive. Even a bicycle, she doesn't know how to paddle. This is a pain I wish any parent to have. At times, sometimes it baffles me. It's like I'm dreaming to see myself standing and talking. I thought I would have been dead by now because of the shock I and my wife have gotten from this child. I still say I don't know where this child came from.
From God.
But this child, I don't know if this child will ever go out of my mind. This particular child that I see here, that is pulling out tears from everybody. This child.
Now Carolise papa that. Ngom be don't talk your own. Church talk your own. Mbeden talk their own. Nine that papa for begin yourself, you don't talk your own. We only talk a share for you and for your madam and for your family. Now the very kind thing be happen for beginning of Kumba. Now the very kind thing happen for beginning of Ngarabo. While at time no reach for we for solve the problem I never know. Anyway, day We also thank the head of state, and we also pray Semi Otin. He come back to normal for inside Cameroon.